think that to start with, that technology is integral to Chimurenga. If we take that the earliest or the most basic, if we talk about technology, we're in some ways talking about tools. And the most basic tool is a pencil. So as a literary magazine and an art magazine, we're already very deeply dealing with technology because we have to make that step of picking up the first tool in order to make our work. I think we work quite in between with technology. One has to always be aware within an African context of what's available and what's not, and being able to subvert technology. A phrase we like to use is black secret technology, which would be any kind of technology that takes white or European, Western technology and subverts it in interesting ways. To give you an example, at the moment, one of our projects that is outside of just the strict publishing, and we view publishing quite broadly, so we see it as books, but we also see it as events and musical happenings. And one of our musical happenings at the moment is the Pan-African Space Station, which is online at the moment, and it's a radio station that broadcasts for 1 month as an internet radio station. And really within that we play a lot around with the questions about technology and how it works. And it works via the internet, but we've also got a live studio. So it's very much us working between those two spaces. I think that one can always use them, and that what for us is important is not the tool, but what the tool conveys. So the tool is merely something that you use to execute an idea. So for us, the ideas are seminal, the tools are just ways of dispersing the ideas. So we'll use anything we can to disperse our ideas. I'd like to introduce this idea of what I would like to call concept engineering, which is in itself a technology. And for us, that's the interesting technology, or the technology that Chimurenga is interested in working with, not necessarily manufacturing of machines, but manufacturing of ideas that can function like machines, that can inhabit spaces, that can spread, that can take over. So yeah, I think that for us, technology, or why we use technology, where we use technology most interestingly, is in concept engineering. They're all just purely instruments and ways of conveying ideas, and the ideas are the important thing. So we work across the board. We create short films about our magazines. We try and get a really rich interplay between diverse mediums to reach the most people. We're starting to move on to mobile phones as well, because that's a very easy way of accessing. A lot of people don't have internet in Africa, but just about everybody has a mobile phone. So for us, it's a means of dispersing ideas. How do you get your idea out there? And we will use anything. We're working on building a rocket ship in our basement, which will be shooting ideas up to the stars as our next project. So watch out for the Chimurenga rocket that's going to be sending things upwards, because for us it's just really about getting the message out there and about working towards change.